Corns. Corns are those hard things that form on the sole, basically on the sole. It can come on top of your feet or it can come under your sole. It can be single, it can be multiple. One can come, go, another can come. When it comes, there is a rounded area which is hard. It may be scaling a little bit of skin. You can see a little bit of darkish something that is there inside. You put pressure, it will give rise to pain. Initially you ignore it. It's okay, it doesn't bother you too much. Then it starts to bother you, you start getting pain. Then you suddenly find that another one is developing on your sole. Then you read somewhere that corn caps can help. You buy a corn cap, you put a corn cap. That corn cap suddenly messes up the entire area, it becomes all infected, white, like some kind of an ulceration. And then it heals. You feel good for a week, 2 weeks, 10 days time. Then again you start developing it. And then you put another corn caps here and there. You go through this process, but it's a never ending thing. It goes on and on. Corns are basically those hard, callous things that forms because of friction. So on the top surface it might come because of a ill-fitting shoe. On the sole it will come because of some pressure that is there. But for me, see, homeopathy deals with a lot of cases of corns. So we know for sure why and how it comes. We've seen it running in the family. A lot of it is genetic. We have seen a lot of people having corns which runs in the family. Now when they come to us, we understand that corns is something that is happening from outside, it is from inside. When they come to us, we understand that corns is something that happens from inside, not from outside. It is a process that is happening from inside. How is it that you're getting one corn, then another corn, then another corn? That means there is something that is happening within you. You get rid of one corn, how will you stop the other one coming from outside? Think about it logically. It doesn't happen that way. Whatever treatment needs to be done for corn has to happen from inside. Once we start on the treatment, we stop the process of the corn first. We see that no new one is coming. The existing one does not increase in size. The pain, of course, within a couple of weeks' time itself, the pain will come down. But then we wait for the process to stop. We wait for the corn to fall off. It actually falls off. We have seen so many people where it falls off. And 99% of the time, once the corn falls with homeopathy, it does not come back again. We also give a liquid. You put about 10 drops of the liquid in a little lukewarm water. Put your feet in and sit down. It will help you get rid of the corn faster. Do not use corn caps. They only mess it up and give you temporary relief, but it doesn't help. Corn is something that can be very, very successfully treated with homeopathy. There are thousands we've been able to help. Don't try anything unless you have tried homeopathy for your corn. There are no do's and don'ts. If you are using ill-fitting shoes, try to avoid ill-fitting shoes. Try to be comfortable. No diet restrictions. Just use the medicines. Leave it to us to take care of your corn. Take care.